All right, everybody. This is Dr. Blumenthal back at the Bethesda, Maryland office with Natural Transplants, and we have Ms. Darlene back. We are 4 months after the procedure.
Yes.
And you're smiling, and
Yeah.
I am thrilled with it, and you are thrilled too. Catch me up on what's been going on the last 4 months. How you been doing?
I've been doing good.
Yeah.
It was not any pain. Everything was healing up as it
You said you took one pain medicine, one pain pill?
One pill
Percocet,
that night, the night of the procedure, and then after that, I didn't need it.
Good.
It was like maybe ibuprofen every now and then
Excellent.
for discomfort, which wasn't much.
Good.
It wasn't much.
Excellent.
And just after the 4 or 5 days when I was able to start shampooing, I did, and the scab started to form, and then about day 7 or 8, they just lightly massaging.
Yeah.
They started coming off, and I had a little bit of swelling, just a little bit.
Yep.
But the process has been really good.
Good.
It's been real pain-free.
Excellent.
And being a type 2 diabetic, I can say that it didn't affect me at all.
Good.
So it actually helped me to relax more.
Good.
And I just recommend anybody that wants to get this procedure done to go ahead and get it done. I'm 58, so you're never too young or too old to get this done.
Love it.
So,
and you look fantastic. Let me zoom in just so we can see. And this is only at 4 months.
Yes.
And we'll show the before pictures. And you basically had nothing there before.
Right.
For about 2 fingers distance, there was no hair at all.
Right.
And that's growing in really well. I'd say you're probably ahead of the game, like we talked about here at 4 months. So we still have another 8 months to go for that to fill in, for us to be at the year mark, and that looks really good. And then we had talked about nothing in the back, no pain from the scar, right?
No.
And we actually had trouble finding it. We eventually did. Let me see if we can. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's a tiny little line right above my thumb. Just a tiny little pencil thin, or even kind of a paper cut thin line right above my thumb, all the way around. And it hadn't been sore or painful back here at all?
No.
Tightness, nothing?
No.
A tiny little line back there you can kind of see right at the bottom there. So, fantastic. Awesome. Like I said, this is only 4 months in, so we have another 8 months to go to really fill in. I think it's going to be fantastic. I'm thrilled.
Excited.
Good. Excellent.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for sharing this. This is
you
great.
gave me my self-esteem back. I was depressed. I was depressed for a while. And every time I try to do something to try to cover it up, whether it's a headband, a scarf, a wig or something, it still wasn't helping me on the inside. But I want to tell you that on the inside, I feel good. I'm whole again.
That's nice.
So thank you.
Appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you for sharing your story with everybody.
Yes, thank you.
It means a lot.
Yeah.
Excellent. Well, I can't wait to see you in a couple months.
I'll be back here in what 8 months?
Yeah, sounds good.
I'm coming back.
Okay. Talk to you soon.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.